Ideas for customizing company videos. Tell your company story with original images from then and now to show how your company has grown and developed. The images will show how far you have come. Show what happens behind the scenes to give consumers extra peace of mind. A glimpse behind the scenes also fosters a familiarity and increases loyalty. Show your happy customers and give their testimonials. They may reveal that they will use your service again, or say how they love your professional friendly service. Show your clients what end result they can expect. Showcase your products. Show that your service is essential. Before and after images can make all the difference. Show your product as you give important product information. Introduce your team so that consumers will already be familiar with them before they meet them face to face. Upload your company logo to give a strong first impression that will separate you from your competition.